Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to take the safe precaution of supporting the hinges and preventing them from breaking when you open a laptop. So some laptop open on the base, I have a base cover here. Yeah, on this laptop you open from the top, you remove the bottom or the top to reveal the hinges. The hinges, one here, there's one here. As you see now, if I move it, it wobble a little bit. And now what happens if you try to move it without support, it might actually snap because there is no support at the moment. The actual cover on the base or on the top support the hinges with screws. Once you remove the cover, these are unsupported, and if you don't support them you might snap them. So best way to open it is to put your fingers on here, yeah, and try to twist it, yeah, or just support it like this, yeah. Put your fingers on them, and if you're opening the bottom cover, basically, then you'd have to put your finger on the bottom here and try to open it and close it. Give it some more support, basically. So the idea is to support the hinges, because once you remove the cover, there's no support and there's only small screws supporting it. On some laptops they can be relatively okay, on others will be very weak. So give them extra support, hold them with your fingers when you move the screen gently to give them more support. Thank you.